Good morning. We have been enduring thick layers of toxic dust since the Seollal holiday weekend, and the western parts of the country are still dealing with bad air quality with ultra-fine dust advisories still in place. But thankfully, we'll have breathable air from this afternoon. After the morning drizzle lets up, freezing winds will blow in to clear the dust from the air, but temperatures will also drop sharply. In fact, those of us in Seoul will notice colder air this afternoon compared to this morning, and we should brace for bone-chilling temperatures over the next few days. Highs this afternoon will not rise much, even down south either. Daegu and Jeju only getting up to 10 degrees Celsius this afternoon. And we'll be seeing a light wintry mix tomorrow afternoon nationwide, while Jeju and Jeolla-do Provinces will see wintry weather into Thursday. Meanwhile, this latest cold snap will ease on Friday afternoon. That's Korea for you, and here's a look at the weather conditions around the world.